Good evening, everyone. I will show you how to create a scalar valued function in SQL. So in my previous video titled SQL function part 1, I created a simple function, and you can see that the function was stored in the programmability of the database AdventureWorks 2019. And this is the name of the function. You can see it's DBOAB, and we have the DBOAB here. So whenever you create your function, it's going to be under your programmability, and it's going to be under the function folder. And if you open the function folder, it's going to be under the scalar value function. So let's get to the main task. So now I want to create a function that I'm going to pass like two parameter to handle a business logic. So to start with, I'm going to put in the keyword, which is create. To create function, and I'll give it a name. I can say dbo.rb2. rb2. I'm going to open the parentheses. I'm going to add column name. I'll do int. I'll do comma. I'll do add percent. I'll give it a data type of int, and I'll do close the parentheses. And I'm going to do returns int as. So my final output is going to be an integer. I'm going to say return int as. Then I'm going to do the next one is going to be begin. And I'll do, let me scroll this down for readability. For readability's sake, I'm going to do return at column name plus. Then I'm going to open a parenthesis. I'm going to do at column name multiply by at percent. I'm going to close the parenthesis divided by 100. I'm going to do end. Then I'm going to do go. So let me put this down for readability's sake. So what I did here is this. So I have a column name, which I declare to be an integer, and I have a percentage. I have another column that is percent. I declare it as integer as well. And I want my final answer to return a data type of integer. And in my return, I said at return name plus the name of the column multiplied by the percent divided by 100. So let me run this. What we are trying to do is that we are trying to add a particular percentage of this column, whatever the column we declare to be. For instance, if this is a column, salary column, this column or the salary, I want to find a percentage of that salary, and I want to add it to the main salary. So it's going to be, if I want to add like 20% of the salary to the main salary, it's still going to be salary plus 20% of the main salary. That is what this logic is doing. So let me give it a run. And say sales command completed successfully. So let me refresh it to see if this is gonna pop up under my let's do programmability. Let's do function. Let's do scalar value function. Can you see now I have the dbo.hb2. It has been written to the folder function. So now let's text what we've written. So the next thing for me to do is that I'm going to do select. I'm going to do select all. Then I'm going to do comma from the dbho.ab2 like we created. Then I'm going to do open brackets. Then I'm going to do income. Then I'm going to do, okay, there is a table here I would like to use. I think that should be, let's see, no, let's see, we have let me use the employee table. I think we have a salary, and our salary is what? Integer. I need a column that is integer. Let's do, okay, let's do vacation hours. So I'm going to do vacation hours. I'm going to do vacation hours, vacation hours. Then I want to do 20%. Then I'll do as adding vacation hours. Now do from the table name is what? Is the adventure human resource. Then I'm going to do the adventure dot the human resources dot the employee. So let me run this. So now you can see that another column is going to be created apart from the vacation hour. So we're going to have the 20% added to the initial vacation hour. So let's go down to the, so this is the additional vacation hours, and this is the initial vacation hours. So if you take 20% of this 99 and add it to this 99, it's going to give you 118. And if you take a 20% of 48 and you add it to 48, it's going to give you 57. So basically, this is how to create a simple function, and this is how to write a more complex business logic in a function to create an additional column in an existing table. You can see this is an existing table. The adventure human resources.employee is an existing table, and I was able to add a business logic that had 20% to the vacation hours, and I gave it an alias of adding vacation hours, which is the last column in our output. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.